rain again in sunny Barcelona. Fun times. But yeah, yesterday we was looking for food and we ended up going to some burger place, which was actually quite nice. We was looking for like a proper restaurant kind of place, and this is literally around the corner, this area that's got a million places, and for some reason Google wasn't showing it to me, but maybe tonight we'll visit there. But yeah, raining again. It did say it was going to rain before we left, and then this morning it said no rain. Still says no rain, yet there was crazy rain today, so I don't know. What are you saying?
It's really nice here.
Yeah.
It's really nice. Rain, but no, the rain's more fun.
Exactement. Maybe. This building is insane. We actually stumbled across it. Wasn't even looking for it, but came across it. It's one of the places that we wanted to see when we came to Barca. Mad. Mad, mad, mad.
We stumble across everything.
You know?
We've just been walking from street to street, finding all these different things, different places. Every corner leads to something different.
Yeah. What did you get?
I got the quesarito. Chicken, cheese and rice.
Okay. I got 2 tacos, soft and a hard one, some fries, and a drink. Yeah. So, finally found the beach, finally made it to the beach. Finally, it's not raining either. Literally, we planned on 2 beach visits on this trip, but what's it been like?
First one, I think it failed because we tried to go as far as we could and we got tired. That's what happened.
And today, the weather's been crap in the morning, loads of rain, but now it's like 6 o'clock or something like that. And the weather's not too bad, so we finally made it down, get some pics, check out the beach, and yeah, have a look. see this fountain thing. Should be good.
Will be, hopefully.
Last night as well. Crazy, super impressive, isn't it? Yeah. So now there's this next fountain thing that is gigantic, the most epic building ever. I don't know what it is, but we're going to check it went home after the last bit, slept for like an hour or so, back out, figured we'd enjoyed it last night, so just getting a quick drink and whatever else happened. So yeah. Still feeling tired, Mum? Yes. Yeah. It's now like coming up to 2 AM. I think that will do. Got to get to the airport tomorrow at 12, so probably best we head home. Otherwise it might be a tense one. Last time I was in Barcelona I nearly missed my flight and I don't want that happening again, so I'm gonna keep it safe. Yeah. Last night, or last day in Barcelona, didn't think I'd be able to wake up after like 4 or 5 hours sleep, but I'm up, just looking for some breakfast, trying not to do McDonald's again, because it's so easy because it's just here, but we shall see. How's your holiday been, Mama?
It's been fun.
Feels like forever, isn't it?
Yeah, I know, it feels like we've been here for a week.
Yeah.
I've loved it. Done everything. Been busy. It's been good. I never want to go.
Exactly. this hot since we've been here. If it had been, I think all the walking we've done would have killed us, to be honest, but it's been good. Definitely recommend Barcelona if you've not been. Nice little city, nice food, all that. This one's a driverless train, sort of DLR vibes.